Hello everyone, this is Radhika Sindwani and I am gonna do a Navratri look today using all the Makeup Revolution products. So I'm priming my lids here with the concealer and the shade is C5 and this one retails for I guess 695. Yes, 695. I have got everything from Hawk Makeup and they are always running really good discounts. Now this is the palette from Makeup Revolution X Friends and I am putting on a shimmer shade and the base shade is a very basic brown and I'm just giving it a outer corner with the dark brown and it is a very basic look. Anyone can recreate this and the palette is really pigmented. It's a beautiful palette and you should definitely go and check once. This is the star of the show. This is the gel liner from Makeup Revolution and it glides on so beautifully. It is so pigmented and now I have smudged it with the dark brown and black color from the same palette that I showed. Now this is the brightening primer. It does all the work. It moisturizes, primes and brightens the face. These two are the makeup sponges from the Makeup Revolution set. These two come in a pack and they retails for 1150. Does the beautiful blending. Beautiful it is. Now this is the foundation. This is a dupe for Huda Beauty foundation for a fraction of price, guys. This is a full coverage foundation, stays put for the whole day, gives a beautiful finishing. You can see that for yourself. It is a very beautiful product. It retails for 1450. This is the concealer in the shade C5 and it is a full coverage concealer, guys. You can see for yourself. These are the areas where we highlight our face. If you want a concealer to highlight your face, always go for the two shades lighter than your own skin tone. That's how you will be able to highlight your face. So this is the banana powder from Makeup Revolution. It retails for 950 and you get a lot of quantity in this. You will not run out of it for an year, I am sure. This is what I've used on my whole face to make it sweat proof, because when you're dancing and you're enjoying the night, you don't have to worry about your base. So this is the complexion palette where you get bronzer, blush and highlighter, all the three things, and that is what I'm using on my face. These are the areas where I contour and bronze my face, just to give it a little bit of dimension, which I love so much. I really love a chiseled face. I am in love with it. Now this is the blush that I'm using. You always have to dab the blush. And this is the highlighter from the same complexion palette and it retails for 1950. These are the places where I highlight my face. Now this is the brow pencil and these brows are done by this pencil itself. It is a very beautiful and nice pencil. This is the mascara from Makeup Revolution and you can see what it does. It does the job. Now this is the Makeup Revolution lip color and I'm not putting it today on my lips because this shade didn't suit me much. Now this is the setting spray from Makeup Revolution only and it has got a little bit of fragrance which I don't mind, but if you are allergic to such fragrances or anything, you can definitely skip it. Now I'm just pushing the makeup fixing spray inside my face, and this is the final look, guys. I really hope you like it.